Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's shave, I'm going to use the King C Gillette and I'm going to line up my beard. That's what it's made for, right? Because it says on the box, high quality chrome plated handle with a single platinum coated double-edged blade delivers ultimate precision for edging sideburns and strong beard lines. So they're saying that it's made for edging and lineups. That's what it's made for. You can also shave with it though. Check my video right up here in the corner. Click on the circle. You can see a shave performed by yours truly with this razor, the King C Gillette double-edged safety razor. It's a 3-piece razor. So just unscrew the handle, separate the top cap and the safety bar. Let's pop in a blade, King C Gillette blade right here. Just put that right over the post and the 2 pins like so. Reassemble top cap and safety bar. Reassemble the handle clockwise. All right, ready to rock and roll with our shave. There's a look at it. So I will also use this King C Gillette transparent shave gel. When you use a white shaving cream, it's a bit difficult to separate your beard from your skin to see exactly where you want to line it up at. But if you're using clear gel like this, it'll come in very handy, enabling you to see exactly where you want to make that precise line. So I'll warm up my face. You can see my face is red now. That's the hot water bringing the blood to the surface of the skin. Let's take some of this clear transparent gel right in the fingertips like so. Just massage that right into the areas where you're going to shave. Right there and here and the neck area. Nice and slippery. It does have a white tinge to it, but you can still see beneath it. No problem. Definitely slick on the fingertips. You dry the fingers before I pick up the sharp razor. And temper the razor, just warm it up under the hot water so we don't have cold steel on face. As you can see, I've got a pretty decent beard growth here. So we're just going to do a quick lineup. I'll start on the right side here. And your angle is like so. If you want to start perpendicular, you want to tilt slightly upward, just about that much right there. That's the angle you're going to use. I'll start at the top and just work my way into where I want it to line up. Much easier doing this with a single edge razor than with any type of a cartridge razor, 3, 4, 5, 6 blades. Now the other side. Just get yourself a nice straight line, and as you can see, you can make a perfect line because you can see the skin underneath and the beard touching where they come together. Just like that. Let me rinse that. Now on the neckline, start in the middle and then work your way over to both sides. If you start on one side, by the time you get to the other side, you may be uneven. So we'll start right about here. And just take short strokes. Get yourself a nice straight line. Flip the razor over. Perfect. Clean up the neck. Rinse off. Now the goatee area, I like to have a couple hollow spots here and here. So I'll turn the razor sideways. I leave the middle portion and start right in the edge and then just work my way across. Like so. Now backhand it this way. There you go. Very nice. So you got hollow spot on both sides. And you can do whatever you want with this razor as far as lining up. Cut your sideburns. I'm not going to do a full shave right now. I've already done that, as I said. So this is it. Just a quick lineup. How to use the King C Gillette razor. Pat the face dry. And then we'll apply some of this King C Gillette Soft Beard Balm. Right here. Just a little bit in the fingertips. Massage that together right into the beard. We'll soften it up. Got a nice light scent to it. Will give you some lubrication and protection throughout the day. Very nice. As you can see, I've got nice lines on the beard, nice and straight. Pretty difficult to accomplish that with a cartridge razor. Underneath the neckline as well, and then 2 hollow patches on either side of the chin. 1 single edge blade as opposed to 3, 4, 5, 6 cartridge razor blades. Much easier to do your lining up. If you want to pick up a safety razor, just go to shavenation.com, go on the sidebar, click on safety razors. There's a few hundred options there for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then click the bell in the upper corner, and then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. I've got a lot of shaving videos, between 200 and 300 right now. Check them out. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.